Hey guys, this Blessing, aka Just Be here. Hey guys, that was aggressive. So today I am going to be doing a Q&A video. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a Q&A. I asked you guys to comment down below some questions. I also asked you guys to comment some questions on my Instagram page. So today we're going to be answering these questions, okay? It's Q&A videos. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to be answering questions from YouTube. And I actually got quite a lot of questions from YouTube, so I don't think I'm going to answer all of them. But I'm going to, try and answer the majority of questions. Officially Martha asks, can I read the last question? Okay, so this is pretty awkward. No, you cannot be the last question, but you can be the first one. Dealer Stadium, and she asks, what day is your birthday? My birthday is September 21st. My birthday is September 21st. I'm having my quinceañera this year. Fiesta, salsa, quinceañera, bye. In other words, I'm turning 15. So yeah, Mariam's World asks 10 questions. So we're gonna try and answer all of these. First one is, would you rather know when you're going to die or how you're going to die? I think I'd rather know when I'm going to die, so I could eat a lot of food, be unhealthy, do stuff I always wanted to do before I die. So yeah, I'm gonna say I'd rather know when I'm gonna die. 2, who are your favorite celebrities? Celebrities, I don't have favorite celebrities. I only have one favorite celebrity, Queen Rainy Rodriguez, skinny legend. She's the only celebrity out there. 5, do you prefer braids or natural hair? Well, I like my natural hair. I'd actually wear it out more if it were, longer. No. But I'm gonna just say braids. Even though I really like my natural hair because it's nice to, when your head is free from having heavy braids on your head for 2 months, it's nice to have your natural hair out. But I'm gonna just say braids because when you wake up in the morning, all I gotta do is just, what was that sound effect? All I have to do is just tie my hair up and I'm ready to go to school. No, the only language I speak is English, but at school I do Spanish and Irish. Oh yeah, by the way, if you live in Ireland, you have to do Irish at school. So yeah, where do you come from? I answered this question in my TMI tag. My parents are from Nigeria, I'm from Ireland, so I guess you could say I'm Nigerian and Irish. And what subjects are you good at the most at school? I'd say my best grades, in terms of grades, I'd say religion, but religion's easy, so I'm gonna just say English. Martin Degg asks, what phone do you currently use? And are you thinking about upgrading anytime soon or in the future? I'm currently using the Samsung Galaxy J5. I did 2 What's on My Phone videos for this phone. If you guys want to watch them, they'll be in the eye somewhere. I never know where the eye is, but you can find it. Do I plan on upgrading anytime soon? To be honest, no, not really. Pretty happy with this one right now. The next question comes from Ava Who. She asks, how do you tie shoes? Please help, I don't know how. So if you guys don't know, tying shoes is a very important skill that, a lot less people know how to do. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys want a tutorial on how to tie your shoes, comment down below and maybe I'll make one. Canela Horton asks, have you watched On My Block? If so, what's okay, sorry, I have to talk about On My Block for a second. Oh my gosh. Okay, so today is what? Friday the 13th, and literally 2 hours I was on Instagram. First thing that popped up on my feed was season 2. On My Block is getting renewed for a 2nd season. Yes, I watched On My Block. It's my favorite TV show, and I've watched the last episode at least 20 times because I can't believe that actually happened, and I'm so happy season 2 is coming because now we get to know what happens. By the way, if you haven't watched On My Block, delete your Netflix subscription. Why do you have it if you're not watching On My Block? It's basically useless. No, but for real, On My Block is such a good show, and I'm low-key gonna spoil it right now, so if you guys don't want to hear any spoilers, skip to this time right here so you don't hear any spoilers. But Olivia has to die. I'm sorry, Ruby? If Ruby dies, I swear to God. Basically, in the last episode, Ruby got shot and Olivia got shot. Ruby jumped in front of the bullet, so it went through Ruby to Olivia. It looks like I feel like the bullet went through Ruby's lung, and then it just went to Olivia, but I don't think it went through her ribs because she was still able to talk. And there's a scene when the ambulance are driving by and one of the ambulance's lights are off, and people say that means that the patient was dead on arrival. So I'm sorry, Olivia. If Ruby dies, I'm throwing hands. I'm joking. I don't know how to fight, but I will probably still watch the show anyways. I'll just be mad if Ruby dies, okay? If you guys skip to this part because you don't want to hear the spoilers of on my blog, after you finish watching this video, start watching on my blog. The next question is from It's Max, and he asks, what does water actually taste like? Water tastes like happiness. You know what water tastes like? You know when you're really tired after a long hard day of school doing stuff like algebra and English, and you get to go home and go to bed. That's what water tastes like. If you guys don't know, water is my favorite drink and it's very important in the human diet. Next question is from Genius Pearl. This question is, how do you deal with being a YouTuber at school? Do people notice you a lot? Especially when you didn't have much subscribers, what did you do? Okay, so when I first made my YouTube channel, it was summertime, so people didn't know about my channel. Yeah, that's when I didn't have a lot of subscribers. When I first started school, I did not post for a long time because I didn't want people to find out about my YouTube channel because I was scared they're gonna like judge me and be rude to me and just like make fun of me. But to be honest, not a lot of people found out about my YouTube channel at school. People at my school know about my YouTube channel, but they never really like asked me about it. Only really my friends asked me about my YouTube channel. So to answer Genius Pearl's question, just go to school like you regularly do. If people ask you about your YouTube channel, you can say, yeah, I have a YouTube channel, you can check it out if you want. Or you can just say, yeah, I have a YouTube channel, blah blah blah. If they say, I saw a YouTube video, you're like, cool, do you like to subscribe? Or you can say things like that because it doesn't really matter. So the next question is from typically Nizzle _ would you rather be bald for the rest of your life or have a rockstar's green mohawk for the rest of your life? This question is pretty obvious. Green mohawk. Who else doesn't want to look like they have a cactus sprouting from their head? I mean, goals. Merrily Mary asks, what is your current favorite song?
5, 4, 3, 2.
And be so wonderful. Somehow we're gonna get there and be so wonderful. The iCarly theme song. The answer is the iCarly theme song. And I'm not ashamed. Now I'm gonna move on to answer some Instagram questions real quick. Okay, the next question comes from Sierra Queen. She asks, when did you post your first video? I actually can't remember. It's probably like in 2015 or something. I'm gonna put the date right here because I have no idea. But I think I posted my first video in like 2015. Okay, next question is from Sierra Queen again. She asks, have you had a boyfriend? Okay, so I've kind of been keeping this a secret from you guys, but yes, I have a boyfriend. We've been going steady for a couple of months now, and you know, I think it's time for me to introduce you guys into him. So here he is. Isn't he beautiful? So thank you guys so much for watching that video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to comment down below or give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for 2.4K. I forgot to say this in the intro, but thank you guys. Thank you guys for 2.4K. We are already so close to 2.5K. So if you are new to my channel, the subscribe button. That was aggressive. I think that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. Okay, bye. Bye.